Let's have a look at the analytics option of Profit NX. This is one of the most useful option which gives you lot of analysis of your data for current year, multiple years or multiple companies the way you want it. Analytics is available for accounts, stock, sales, purchase, production, direct income and expense, indirect income and expense, balance sheet accounts, order as well as ratio analysis. Let's have a look at account analysis. Here we have a quarterly balance analysis of all the accounts of financial year 2011 and 12. For example, you can come to know administrative expenses in first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter and total. Likewise, for all accounts, you can get this data. Here also we have choices to select or deselect particular groups. For example, I just want to know only some of the expenses. I can just select those expenses, and if I want the accounts also covered, here there are only 2 accounts, but if there are more accounts available under a group, we can get group wise, account wise details over here. Again, here we can get, instead of quarterly, we can get year to date. For example, I want the information for, let's say, all accounts with only closing total, or else I can decide to have opening, credit, debit and closing, or opening, debit, credit and closing, the way I want to see this. There are various choices available. Again, the report, whether I want only income and expenditure, whether I want only direct income and expenditure accounts, I can select it from here. I can select only liability and asset accounts, and after seeing a particular report in a particular format, I can also save this report by typing a new name for the report over here and pressing save button. So this was the accounts analysis. Now we go to stock analytics. Again, here is my report which was pre-saved. This report gives me product wise, size wise and grade wise closing stock in terms of quantity, and here I am getting the percentage also, that vitrified tiles in common 3 grade I have 51% of 600 by 600 and 48% of 605 by 605, or in case of Eco 4 I have no stock of 605 by 605. Now this is just a way, one report. You can choose anything over here. For example, I want to choose grade wise, and I also want to add category to this. So I will get now vitrified tiles, common 3, 600 by 600 and different category wise stock. Now again I have option of seeing only closing, only opening, only receipt and issue, or opening, receipt, issue, closing, the way I want to see it. So these reports, the analysis reports, are available with such a ease that you can change any selection the way you want to change. Similarly, we go to sales analysis. Now here I had defined my report this way, that I want year to date total. I don't want a daily, monthly or quarterly sales. I want product wise, and I am interested in only one particular product, that is vitrified tiles. I can select this over here, and for that product I want city wise and party wise sales. So now I am getting, these are my cities: Agartala, Agra, Ahmedabad. Within the city in Ahmedabad, we've got Ashutosh Tiles, Circle Limited, Indian Tiles, MD. These are my customers in that particular city, and this is their offtake in percentage. That alright, I can come to know that in Ahmedabad, Ashutosh Tiles is the biggest buyer. Year to date total, if I want quarterly details, I can simply select quarterly here, and now I can see that although Ashutosh Styles is a very good buyer, but he has not bought anything in first quarter and second quarter. He has purchased only in third and fourth quarter. Or Circle Limited is purchased in first quarter and fourth quarter, which means my salespeople are dumping some stocks by which they are unable to buy on a regular basis, whereas this MD has purchased in every quarter. So this is how I can understand the trend of the client, the buying pattern, what percentage are they buying, and lot of details from such analytics. And this is very easy to operate. I mean, you simply have to select the fields over here or here, and you will get the reports generated on the spot. And all such reports, like this report I want to save as quarterly report, and I press save. The report is saved. Next time if I open the sales analytics current year and I simply select this quarterly report, the entire report will come in front of me. So you can develop as many reports as you like and save them, so that whenever you want such reports, you can immediately get those reports in front of you. And you can print such reports also, and you can also get the various kind of charts for this particular reports. There are variety of charts available which you can select. Similarly, the analytics option is available for purchase, production, direct income expense, profit and loss, balance sheet. In case of order analytics, once again you have order summary, order priority, order execution plan, and from that it will tell you how much production is required or purchase needs to be planned, and what will be the remaining stock after execution of this particular order. And ratio analysis is where you get variety of your ratios, and on the right hand side you've got the description of the ratios. So different ratios, their description and their values which are shown here. Even if you want to configure a ratio little differently as per your needs, you can configure the same. Thus, you must have noticed that using the analytics option of Profit NX, you can do various kind of analysis within the year, over a period of multiple years, or over multiple companies.